everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So in today's video I am going to share some unique and DIY Father's Day gift idea. Father's Day is a celebration honoring fatherhood. The third Sunday of June is celebrated as Father's Day in most parts of the world. A dad gives advice and encouragement when you need it. A dad cares about the things that mean most to you. A dad shares all your success and happiness. A dad is his daughter's first hero. So let's give some special moments to our first hero and celebrate his all dedication. So today's video is all about little angels are making gift for their fathers. Let's ask little angels what they want to do for their fathers. So what do you want to make for your father?
I want to make some music for my father.
Very good.
Crunchy, what you want to make? I want to make pencil for my father.
Okay.
Let's get started.
So our first DIY we are going to make is beautiful dot mandala art on stone, which can be later on used as paperweight, and it looks really very beautiful and very easy to make. For this we need mandala art tools and acrylic colors. And let your kids make designs by their own. Here we are showing you some designs which are made by kids. Look, our beautiful mandala art is ready, which can be later on used as paperweight or decoration. Will you give this to your daddy?
Yes, I will give to my daddy.
Okay.
Yes, Pranshi, we will use the paperweight. Come on, Pranshi, let's start the second gift. Yes, come on, Ruhi, let's start.
We are going to make beautiful and memorable all about my dad book for your father. If you want print out templates for this book, then let me know in comment section. We are sticking these printouts to another paper to make it stiff. Now our papers are ready to make book. Now punch it. Alright, now tie it with a jute rope. Here I show you two patterns of books. One pattern is ready. Let your kids write their own thoughts. second pattern of All About My Dad book. Our super and thoughtful book is ready. So our last DIY is beautiful photo holder. For this we need cement and water. You can use anything to make photo holder. I am using candle maker. Now put U-pin to hold a photo. To give extra touch to photo holder, we are making a hand from cement. Now let it dry. I color it with pink acrylic colors. You can color this hand with color of your choice. This looks so beautiful. Our photo holder is ready. Hope you like this video. If you have not subscribed my channel, then subscribe it now for more such videos. See you in next video. Till then, bye. Take care.